Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nyasha. As you can see, I still got my makeup on, so that means we're getting on ready doing our nighttime skin routine. So let's get right into it. We are going to start off with just protecting our hair and putting our bonnet. I actually wore this makeup for 11 hours, so I'm exhausted as you can see. And I also want to point out that some of the products that you see here are the similar product when I did my winter skincare routine for daytime. So what I love about these products that you can also use them at night. You will not be using any sunscreen. So we're starting off with the Black Rice Hararu Wonder Moisture Deep Cleansing Oil. These products are Korean and also Japanese, so I have been loving these products. I've used them for a good 2 months, so I'm not just gonna show you guys something I've not used for a while and how it's worked. So I'm just started to take off my lashes, and I just want to show you how easily it melts all my makeup off. And you see now I had a full face glam, so look how easily that comes off, and it's gentle. I like how it's got natural oils like olive, sunflower, jojoba, and macadamia seed oils, which are also amazing, that it leaves my skin so soft and hydrated. I love that it's got no scent, so if you got sensitive skin, this cleansing oil is for you. Going in with a cleanser, which is the Black Rice AHA cleanser. So we are obviously double cleansing. We're not just gonna cleanse with the oil. So I love how this is super gentle as well, fragrance free. Some skin science, if you do not know, AHA is actually supposed to be an exfoliate. So not only are you cleansing your skin, you're also exfoliate, leaves your skin softer, clears out all the pores. So we're gonna just wash all that product off, and if I want to make sure that my skin is clear from all makeup, I use my Garnier Micellar cleansing water, and just to make sure that my skin is clear. There we go. Now we're going in with the Pure Vitamin C Serum. This has 5% vitamin C. It helps lighten scarring, helps with pigmentation. It's formulated with 84% hyaluronic acid, which is super good and hydrates the skin with niacinamide. Okay, when I tell you about this product right here, it definitely has changed my skin. It's anti-aging, moisturizing, soothing, brightening. It's got 5 peptide, restores the firmness in my skin. It's definitely changed my skin that was a little bit dull to actually more plumpier and more healthy. I have been using this product for over 2 months now, and I've seen a lot of changes in my skin. But also do your own research and see what's in there to make sure that it benefits your skin. So next I'll be using in with the Oat-in moisturizing cream. This can also be used for the body. It's fragrance free, it's for all skin types, and it also helps to protect against dryness, and you can use that for your body as well. And just because you're going to bed does not mean you can't moisturize your lips. Obviously Lano Lips definitely helps me get that moisture back in my lips, and it's got SPF 15. Look how glowy and smooth, radiant my skin is. Guys, do check in the description below. There is a code there and the links are there. Please do your own researches as well, just to see if this is good for your skin. Hello, we cannot ignore the glow on my skin. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.